That is just, oh, light. Another bunny? Bunny! Bunny, 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 bunny. Bunny. Hey, you bunny rabbit. Hi. I'm close up with the wild bunny. Found another one. Another one can be spotted right here. Oh yeah, the wildlife people. The gator in the waters. That's for sure. There's a gator. Absolute gator in the waters. Got some crocodiles out there. Oh, he's way far ahead. He's a way far ahead. Alright, that's it. Gotta keep down. We gotta keep down. Okay, so there's wild gators here. It's true. Be on the lookout for wild gators. Oh no, she's heavy. Commander's in. That song is stuck in my head. No gators could be living in the water, so there's a gator in the waters. Calm down, Blue. There's a gator in the waters. Agree. It's been a long walk. It's been like 2 minutes. And now we got this far. And the gator comes. I'll make sure to film it. Oh, thank you. I think you can see it, but I don't know if I think there's a gator there. There's some shrimp in here, that's for sure. There's a swampy area. Gators like to go in the swampy areas. We fish down here. Oh, the wild pelicans. See, there's a wild pelican. There goes one. This is the beautiful of the wildlife that you can see. Yeah. Oh, it is now screaming. Oh, we have a dragonfly. Okay, it's worms there. This is the beach for crocodiles. Come in. The crocodiles are in these waters right now. So we're gonna be, oh, look at the beach. There's some signs of life. Yeah, a bit far from here. I just found some of those fish. What? It's crazy. Actually, I'm afraid to come actually now. I'm actually kind of afraid if I don't make this alive. Y'all the best people I've ever met. Oh, y'all friends from school. Y'all the best. We have a little fire going. And this is the beach up there. Oh, poop. And I'm going to take a tour at the beach. Okay, beach house, don't worry. And the beach, maybe. And as I say the turtles in the shed, if you want to say the turtles. If you don't want to say the turtles, then too bad. You have to say the turtles. I picked up plastic today, so one good deed saying the turtles. That'd be fun. Little fire pit. Got nice water. Got a little area to sit so I can do this. Oh, this is really good.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright.
Who are you talking to?
I'm just filming.
Who?
I'm just doing this.
Who are you talking to?
No, I'm talking to. It's just, I'm filming for Mom.
Okay. I saw a fish this big.
Or,
Something out of the water.
or for minnows, I found minnows. I'm still stuck in the voice. Oh! Something just jumped out of the water. That could be a gator. That's something to fish for. This is a vlog of the beach. No animals were hurt. This is trying to get really creepy. If y'all don't hear that, it's squeaking. It's kind of like going down. So, this is old, as you can see. They really didn't even care, so they just let us splinters. Should polish it and make it cool. I don't know why they didn't. Now just look at this montage of me running with flip-flops. I can't remember going through here. Nice. Listen to monsters on each string. Just walking. Maybe this is a bunny thing. Bunny's gone. Bunnies are gone. Bunnies are gone. There's a rare bunny.
There were 2 of them. You see them?
2 bunnies. Still there. Crocodiles are not here. I heard something move in the bushes. I heard a crocodile. I heard a croc. I just now heard a croc in the bushes. There's a wild mosquito. I saw a gator. I saw a gator. It's true. I saw a gator. Can I have some water?